Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Antigravity for your PC. For that, first go to the web browser and search Google Antigravity. Here, this one is the official page for Google Antigravity, so go to the download page. Here you can see different kind of setup file here. So according to your operating system, you can select one of those setup file. I select Windows 64 bits version, so select this one. It will automatically generate the download. I already downloaded one setup file, so I cancel this. Yeah, this one is the downloaded one, so click this one. Then run is. Then you have to accept all the agreements. Click here. Next. Here you can change the file location. If you want to change, you can change here. Then click next. Next. If you want shortcut icon in the desktop, click this one. Then install. So it's downloaded. Then you just click finish. It will automatically launch the Google Antigravity. So this is the Google Antigravity workspace. So I already logged in with my account, my email account. So here you can ask what you do. It's basically it will use for software developing projects. So if you ask about your software project, it will automatically create all files, all the files here. You can see here. Likewise, it will automatically create the files, and it can automatically run the files also. So this is the way to download and install Google Antigravity. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.